Hello, and welcome to BrainFuse. VetNow is BrainFuse's service for veterans of the United States Armed Forces who are transitioning into civilian and professional life. VetNow provides users with live online assistance in navigating the complicated bureaucratic process of receiving benefits from the Veterans Administration, as well as assistance in locating local and national resources for veterans in healthcare, education, job placement, and much more. You can access VetNow by clicking on the BrainFuse VetNow link located on your library's or institution's website. Our VetNow navigators can be accessed by clicking on the Connect link under Live Veteran Navigators. From here, you will be brought into a one-to-one whiteboard session to receive assistance from a navigator. VetNow also offers assistance through live job coaching. You can access our BrainFuse job experts by clicking Connect. The Resume Lab offers an easy way for veterans entering the civilian workforce to get feedback and tips for their resumes from our BrainFuse resume coaches. By clicking Submit, you can attach your resume along with any comments you might have and send them to our coaches for review. If you would like to ask a question from one of our VetNow navigators but do not want to enter a live session to do so, you can click on the Send Question link here. You can also freely take a look at some nationwide and area-specific resources for veterans by clicking on Veterans Resources. Here, you will find a plethora of links to resources in healthcare, housing, and more. Also offered with VetNow are several features related to both college skills and job tools. Under College Skills, you can receive live tutoring in several subject areas from our BrainFuse tutors. These sessions are also done in a whiteboard setting, similar to the navigator and coaching features above. The Language Lab offers users the chance to enter a live tutoring session for assistance in foreign languages. You can also submit an academic paper to our Writing Lab for one of our BrainFuse writing tutors to review. Or send a question to our tutors if you do not want to enter a live session. Under the Skills Server, you can take some practice tests, watch video lessons, review text lessons, and much more, broken down by category and by subject for your ease. Flashbulb allows VetNow users to create and view flashcards and other fun studying games. Under Job Tools, VetNow users have access to several useful features. Live resume coaching and interview coaching are available for any veteran users entering the workforce who would like assistance in interview preparation or live help with their resume building. eParachute is an area where users can build a profile based on a series of career-related questions, which then generates specific resources for career preparation, aptitude, job postings, and more based on your answers. BrainFuse also provides its own list of national and local job resources, which are customized to your institution's area. Also included in the list of job tools are resume templates and resources, as well as interview tips and interview resources, which you can feel free to explore at your own pace for self-guided assistance in these areas. Optimal Resume is also available for VetNow users, which allows you to create resumes, cover letters, and portfolios in a sleek, easy-to-use system, which also offers the ability to host a website to place all of this professional content for the ease of your potential employers. Lastly, if you elect to create a BrainFuse account to access our full suite of features, several tools become available to you. On the top right of the VetNow page, while logged in, you will notice your username in this area here. By hovering over it, you will be able to access several account features paired with specific BrainFuse services, which can greatly assist you in keeping track of your progress and work. My Past Sessions lets you view any live past expert help sessions that you have taken part in. My Message Center is where you will go to access reviews that have been sent to you from the Resume Lab or questions sent from the various Send Question areas. My Tests shows you the names and results of the tests you've taken in the Skill Server and provides you the option to retake them as well. Lastly, My Cloud Pack allows VetNow users to save files they are working on to their BrainFuse account, which you can access at any time across multiple devices. If you have any questions, please email info@brainfuse.com. Thank you.